In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule and delay an email in Microsoft Outlook so you have complete control over when your messages are delivered. This can be particularly useful if you're working across time zones or want to ensure your email arrives precisely when it will be most effective. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook. Once you're in Outlook, the next step is creating a new message. You can do this by navigating to the top left corner of your screen and clicking on New Email. This will open up a new message window where you can compose your email as you usually would. Go ahead and fill in the recipient's email address, your subject line, and, of course, the body of your email with all the information you want to convey. Now here's where the magic happens. To schedule your email, navigate to the Tags group located in the ribbon at the top of your email window. You'll see a small button for a drop-down menu. Clicking on this will open a new window. In this window, you'll notice an option labeled Do Not Deliver Before, accompanied by a calendar and a time selection feature. Click on this option to select your desired date and time for your email to be sent. This allows you to ensure that your message hits the recipient's inbox at precisely the right moment, whether that's the start of their business day or any other optimal time. But what if you want to delay your emails even further using some predefined rules? Well, in that case, you'll need to work with the rules settings in Outlook. Head over to the Home tab at the top of your screen. From there, click on the Rules button and select Manage Rules and Alerts. In the window that appears, you'll want to click on New Rule. You'll be presented with several options. You should choose Apply Rule on Messages I Send. For this tutorial, let's skip the first setting and go straight to the next steps. Scroll down until you see Defer Delivery by a number of minutes. Click on this and you'll be able to specify the exact number of minutes you want your email delivery to be delayed. This gives you a finer level of control for last-minute adjustments or to create a buffer period before your emails are sent out. Once you've set everything to your liking, your newly composed email will be set according to your schedule. And just like that, you've successfully set up a delayed delivery in Microsoft Outlook. With these simple steps, you now have the tools to manage your email correspondence more effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.